Jamaicans, how are you feeling about Olympics? We hear that many are panicking with the recent performances and the times not looking so good. Nonetheless, we're hopeful. Let's get into today's video that speaks about the upcoming event and who are on. Now, first up, we have the great Shericka Jackson. Two-time world 200-meter champion Shericka Jackson will make her second appearance of the season when she takes place in the 200-meter at the Oslo Diamond League in Norway on May 30. So that's tomorrow, Thursday. No miss it. Jackson got her season off to a winning start with a 200-meter victory, and her time was 22.82 to maintain a winning streak of 16 finals that dates back since June 2022. Having won diamond trophies in both the 100-meter and 200-meter last year, she looked to build on that opener in Oslo, and she faced some good competition. We're pulling up the visuals so you can see who's running tomorrow in the 200-meter and what the times are like. Who you think will take first, second, and third? Tell us in the comments. Now, Jamaica's world bronze medal.
Dead with the reach near the finish line.
Chris, where you there? Ready, you know. Jeans are all about spikes. Need a spikes run left. Chop in. Watch out.
Place Rochelle Clayton leads the entries for the women's 400-meter hurdles. Also, we have this weekend an electrifying Racers Grand Prix scheduled for Saturday, something that Jamaicans need to attend as it will be held at the National Stadium. Move on to that event. Let's just speak about the latest info as it relates to Elaine's next event. It should have been the Grenada's Invitational, but it has been stated that this year's Invitational, where five-time Olympic gold medalist Elaine Thompson Hera presence was highly anticipated, it has been cancelled, and fans are not happy. Many were looking forward to seeing the Grenada Invitational, and them just not pleased about it. Now let's move on to the exciting event for this weekend, the Racers Grand Prix. The Racers Grand Prix promises to be worth it. Some of the biggest names in the sport will be attending. We're pulling up the visuals so that you can see some of the names that will be there. We are personally looking forward to seeing Jaden Hibbert, of course, triple jump champ, and we are looking forward to seeing Broadbell. He has so much promise, and we can't wait to see him maximize all of that. Now, Broadbell, whose exceptional performances have made waves on the international stage, is returning with renewed vigor and determination following spectacular victory at the Commonwealth Games. This triumph of the Commonwealth Games marks a significant milestone in his career as the gold medal in the 110-meter hurdles not only demonstrated his exceptional talent, but also cemented his status as one of the leading hurdlers in the world. Now the victory fueled his ambitions and set the stage for a promising season ahead. Now he recently revealed that he has been undergoing an intensive training in preparation for his season opener at the Racer Grand Prix. He said, "Every year my season opener surprises me. I may not know what to expect. It's the first race of the season and the first race since I fell at the World Championships. So for me, I'm just trying to get in race rhythm and execute what I have been practicing at training. Preparations have been going great, and I pray that it remains that way." We send some prayers to Broadbell as well because we can't wait to see how he'll perform at this Saturday's event. So I think that's it for now. We might see Elaine, being that she's not going to be at the Grenada Invitational. She might just sign up for the Racers event this weekend. And so many other faces that you just have to just go in a person to watch them. If not, we'll try our best to keep you updated, of course. Alright, so have a blessed one. Until next time, we have more coming your way pretty soon.